Hello guys, my name is Babu. Today we are make to the mic. So this one MIC sensor, and also we are need to the audio jack. Okay, and that is one empty marker condition, and we are need to the 5-meter wire. Okay, and first of all holding this one marker, and this also off, remove. Okay, also done the marker and installing this small switch. Okay, outside. First of all holding hole this one, also finish hole, and installation this one, this small switch, and this 5-meter wire inside the connection. Okay, this one cross, and also this one cross the small hole. Okay, and connection and connected to the connection to the this MIC switch. Very carefully. Okay, this one also done, and connected to the outside so glue. Okay, this one most important of the connected the glue. This one, this connection not doing the then means it's a very problem. Okay, right now does not moving this the sensor, also done. Okay, and this wire connected to the the bigger wire connection. Okay, and another wire is the connection to the switch connection. Is the connection. So also connected to the this small switch. Okay, very good condition in installing this one. Okay, right now almost okay. So right now audio jack also connected. Good concern with the rounding. Okay, black tape. This one support. Right now testing the sound. Okay, you can see, and do you like, comment, like, share. Okay.